Hey guys, in this video, unbox natin tong harness pocket, size XL from Krega. Kinuha ko siya dahil yung ginagamit ko kasi ngayon yung R22 na backpack and medyo nahihirapan ako kasi kailangan ko ng pangkuha agad ng stuff like my phone and wallet and alam kong may existing tong product na to. The SRP of this is around 2.9. Tinanong ko sa yung seller kung kasya ba yung Pro Max na iPhone dito and ito yung nirecommend sa akin. So I just got this one. Instead, right now, itetest natin siya and ilalagay natin siya ngayon sa backpack natin. When you purchase from authorized resellers, 10 years warranty siya. So dito natin siya ikakabit eh. Ideal for sunglasses, larger mobile phones. This is water resistant only, hindi siya waterproof. Feel ko waterproof siya kasi kahit naka-zipper siya, parang may rubber thingy pa rin kasi siya. I feel like it's supposed to be here. Kasi when you open, pag ganun kasi siya eh. Yeah, it's supposed to be here. Mas maayos sa setup to. So, you open it like that lang. So, for example, I have my iPhone 13 Pro Max to eh. So, this is the biggest one na. And kasya siya sa loob. We have Samsung Galaxy S23 na base model lang. Mas maliit ng konti. So, kasya 2 phones inside. The R3 right here. Ang ginawa ko is ginamit ko yung pati yung mga ibang straps niya to sit very tightly. Pero maging itsura niya, suotin ko na lang muna. Pero parang for some reasons, it comes off. So it sits perfectly right here. Mga more immediate stuff na kailangan mong kunin like your phone, yan, makuha mo na agad siya. So dito na magtatapos ang video natin. Hope you like this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.